起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hi, welcome back for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It's practical, so it's about our daily lives. And this month, we're teaching you the phrase, not gonna make it, not enough time, 來不及.
funอํ柒.
Okay, that means not enough time, not gonna make it. Like watching a movie, for instance. 比如说看电影，电影都有这个时间嘛，那如果5點半趕不上，那就下一個7點半，以此類推嘛，
是。
好，那我們就來聽這樣的對話。Someone's about to go to the movies, and it seems like they may not be able to catch the next viewing or next showing.
過5分鐘，電影就要開始了。
嘅你一天funอํ柒，
就得看下一場。
簡簡單單，然後就是不急了哈。看電影不像說坐車，如果或者飛機啊，做不到的話，可能哇要等很久，或者說根本是客滿了哦。當然，夯的電影也可能是如此。So, anyways, let's break it down one by one. 再5分鐘，電影就要開始了。In about 5 minutes, the movie is gonna begin.
過5分鐘，
過5分鐘，
電影就要開始了。
電影就要開始了。就是電影是天樣。Right? 天樣 that's the movie, is about to begin. 要開始叫
開始了。
開始了 Okay, that means to start. And in another 5 minutes, 分鐘. 分鐘 is the minute. Is the number 5, right? In 5 minutes, 那如果連車都還沒停好還是怎麼樣，那可能真的來不及了。
真嘅funอํ柒咧。
好啦，所以就是下一句說，那我們一定來不及了。Okay, we're definitely not gonna make it.
嘅你一天fun엄柒。
一天fun엄柒. You should know fun엄柒 is that phrase we're teaching you all month, right? fun엄柒 means not gonna make it. 一天fun엄柒 means definitely not gonna make it. So of course, the date says, you know what? We can just watch the next one. 可以看下一場啦。
就得看下一場。
OK，
那就看下一場。
看下一場啊！沒想到我們是約5月場，沒有下一場了。
那就明天看早場。
對啊，那這個約會就不成功了。好 ，anyways, that means we can just watch the next showing. 下一場。That means the next one. All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
過5分鐘，電影就要開始了。
嘅你一天fun엄柒，
就得看下一場。
And this month, it's all about trying to make it, but you can't make it, so you say 來不及。
fun엄柒
OK， 就是很有心想要趕到，可是又來不及的時候會講的一句話。There you have it, another round of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
男子誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.